remember all our junker friends them are there. You can't watch anyone on your phone. Take out the falls here. Your mama have to tell if you take your body out her mouth. Now that you have to do. Your mother have to tap so cold that you have to tell her. That you have to do. I don't know talk to no big pussy mama I want to come over here so come tell me what to do. At that tight, you know. And me don't want to come tell what to do. I know worrying mama. I found in when I know no blood clot daddy I come talk to me. When I know mama get fucked for bumbo clap on a flour and tooth in a sardine. I found a shopkeeper on a blood clot daddy and I don't know. Your mother pussy pay all bills. And you come and start coming and chatting with me. Your mother crutches pay all bills. You don't even know your blood clot, daddy. And there's somebody there where the animal look alike. You don't even know nothing for him. Found in and have a man knows and come and chat. You don't even your mama don't know your daddy. I can't anyone have 4 nigga them live on a lane. Look at shit. Somebody up there start play nice songs. Yeah, me know nobody come pan your con this me and I landlord of them father. Or a shopkeeper. Don't do that. We don't know I landlord or no daddy. I rent make you there, you know. Rent. I rent make some out no there. And dinner time. I pour the flour and tooth in mackerel make some out no there. And a company come and come tell me this and tell me that.
When I'm commenters them.
Tell them I'm not a liar, I'm a good person.
We no focus and we no make the man them trick on the top and send me roses and bracelets, guys. Come, let's go.
And I laugh. I mean I say bumbo claw. Me hang up. I never call back on one day. Me there 007 studio. And moms pull up. And said one of the dogs say, call him for me, I want to see him, please. And the dog forward in there and say, I know, and say, XYZ I call her. The power will come in on me bumbo clot, you see? The strength when me get in my system. When me hear them say, yo, XYZ I call her. And believe me, like, his strength grew up in me, dog. Yo, me want to turn from a studio and tell a girl, I say, yo, suck your mother. Big idiot girl. And me just call me down and say, come with dog. Tell her if you go on where she go, man. Me there in her work. And dad them come back and say, oh, she really want to see that. Me I say, fam, tell her if you go on where she go. Me good. And she texts me and say, you really not come Ray. Me see at that the time for me blood clot ego grow up. Big. Say you fuck her yo. Cause I never me come back, you know. You diss me and run me and make me gone. I left. Me go drink me bumbo clot Hennessy raw. And bun be a kush down from down and skinny. Nani am no food. Me go through me stress, father. You hear me I tell you? I listen some blood clot song in my ears. Some long time song to bumbo clot. Yeah. Yo. Me say. But me just hold you and tell mama say, nah man, do your thing man. They are do some work when I had that time we talk, you know. And she said, please. I'm saying, I record you now man, me soon link you. Then I sit down in the studio and I do nothing. I like me foot them and say, yo, make we go out there. But my mind I say, hey boy, if you ever get up from here, so me mad your bumbo clot. You think you rule yourself? Me just sit down there. You worry. Me nah lie, that time me in a piece of love that to pussy clot. Me the in a piece of love. Love and not see me fuck around again, you know. And I said, no, me fuck around too tough. Cause watch you now, you see? Most of my boundaries, them, women have them as insecurities. I gaslight me bumbo clot. But it's insecurity. Me have my own boundaries. So it's when me there by myself. Me can set me bumbo clot boundary them. That's it. I mean, me not have to feel like I am insecure. Bumbo clot. You know? Like, yo, I say me I know. Me and my woman, like. Me don't have my woman body judge up out pan it TikTok and everywhere. And she has skin out her crutches over TikTok. No, some woman I go say, I'm insecure, you're insecure. And that have to make me looking at myself. When it's bumbuckler girl all make me one day for insecure, me insecure if it's true. The time I know that this bumbuckler girl just want skin out over TikTok. Make man look under her crutches and come give her. And at that me come up with in my junk mind. Cause me just flatline argument, you know. You get me just flatline argument and talk what it is. Me no go around the bag of corner. Me just flatline the argument and say, Bumbo, well, you want skin out for enough man, come follow you, that's you go live and get gift. Move your line, fat pussy, Bumbo cloud self. You're lying. Come run them joke there with me like say if me take some picture, me now go put up the best one because I want the girls them to like me. If me ugly and me take some picture, me I go look for the cutest one. Because I want the girls them to tell me say I'm cute. So you no come skin out your fat crutches your son and shake up your body and tell me say me insecure. Hey bumbuckler girl. You check a last night and night me born with a last bumbuckler night or last minute. Fuck you feel. You can't look at me and tell me that. You see me have bumbuckler beard on my face. I've been around some shit. I've been here. You can't trick me. You can't trick a trickster. Like me don't know that make your skin out over this bumbuckler. You hear me I say? Gage need a show, you need a TV that you need. Oh, well, you tell me say me need a show. Or you need a show. I'm thinking this year this me no father. Sorry, me fly back on the tree. That wasn't important. My apology. My apology. Sometimes we too jumpy. That was too fast though. That did too quick. I should have kicked back and read it good. I think I passed my limit a while ago. And I know me get that style. I shoot him and then ask question later. You know? Now they can tell one different artist so they want them for one show. I fuck up one show right they say, you know. Fumble bag. Just fumble fucking bag and everybody pan TikTok see me do it. You see me? Fumble bag right there so to bumbo clot. Cha. And me do it with a lot of aggression, you know. And emotion was behind it. Then goodly hurt. If you not hurt, I'm sorry. Takes a big man and even a bigger junker to apologize. I'm very sorry. If I took it the wrong way a while ago, I'm very sorry. I didn't meant it in any way. When I thought you meant it in a wrong way, I meant it in a wrong way too. But now that I see that I don't know if you meant it in any way. I don't know if I meant it in any way as well. I apologize. So as me I say, I don't like me know it's sitting. Me know the blood class sitting. Me know the blood class sitting. So you see, no, I don't want no female come gaslight me bumbo clap about my boundaries are insecurities. They are not. They are blood clot not. You idiot. Fuck you feel. The next part I'm afraid of, you know. I'm afraid of it, but the part I kinda have to know if you angle it, cause here we go on. I tell you what make it kinda fucked up. Me no want there with the girl let me have blood clot man friend. I'm afraid of no. I'm afraid cause here we now. You know a man friend thing come down. Like for example now, let me see. Oh, let me look through the app here. Alright, Kitty will come pan what yes, what do you with? the lot of titillation and assets. Like, if you happen to hear say me and Kitty a good friend, that's because Kitty no want me. And Kitty never want to give me the vagina and Kitty turn me in a friend. Cause there's no fucking way under this a sun where I shine or it's snow where I fall over foreign. Me, I go want to be Kitty friend. That's fucking impossible. I couldn't do that shit. You see me? Like, that's me lying to myself. You see me? I have to be just straightforward. Like, oh, me I go be friend with somebody like Kitty. If me have one woman and she comfortable with me being friends with somebody like Kitty, it just simply show you don't have any sense. You know what I mean? You just don't have any sense. Because me not go friend with Rose. Me not talk Rose on TikTok. Me not talk Rose on Expert. I wouldn't be friends with her. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, Mackerel, but I wouldn't be friends with Mackerel either. You know what I mean? I'm just being honest here. So why me that want to be friend with Kitty? That you not just. You see the hypocrite ways there, so? Just like them bumbuckler gala. Who know no one friend with Expert, but to know that friend with Usain Bolt. To know always see them bumbuckler gala friend with them have.
Me I can't see a little while, you know.
What?
Come in and smoke, that's fine.
Oh, me not smoke. I talk me over here talk and me use as example so my people them probably come call you.
Me I go and talk to so later.
Alright, later. You see why I'm gonna be friend with Kitty? You see what I talk about? Later. Just me fucking lying to myself. Like if me have a woman, whereas if she not have the assets and the titillations and breastations where Kitty have and me and Kitty have friend. Now you not afraid, girl. That mean you have one friend too. You have a your same bold friend. Imagine now. This a girl in chat here, this a girl a friend. This a girl in chat here, this a girl a friend on the phone. Here how me talk now. Yeah man, what you deal with? Here this a girl a friend on the phone. Yeah. So when I'm see you again. Big deep bumbuckler advice. And then when you see this a friend at a blood clot, I want to look at giant. Over 30 pack in a bumbuckler chest and 2 big bumbuckler chest up here and big muscles. I feel her friend this. This is her friend. This is her friend. That's what me I say. Me not depend. Me not depend. I'm too grown for that shit. I have senses. I have sense like. Yeah, I have senses. 5 to be exact. And an extra one. Named intuition. Don't fuck yourself. And my intuition is more stronger than my rest of senses. Don't fuck yourself with me. Come tell me about he's my friend. Hey, bumbuckler, girl, you have to go friend with Expert too. Fuck do you? If you want to have a man friend, you better go friend with Expert too. And give Expert the same amount of time where you give your Usain Bolt. You come bumbuckler introduce one big tall man with taller than yours to me about this is a friend. Hey girl. Tell you know I'm born at night, but on a last night. Come here, no idiot. I call Tanaania now. Like, me could have introduced Tanaania to one of my woman and say, to me, oh, you remember one of my woman? Now my son fucked up. Like, me could have introduced Tanaania to my woman now and say, this is my friend. Me could have introduced Shinelli to my woman and say, this is my friend. Like, and Shinelli would have believe, and the woman would have believe. Say, me and Shinelli are friend. Me blood clot, then you're no fool. You're fool. You see me? You're a fool. But so this is why I say it biased. Like this is how me could have be friend with females. Like you have to know my woman to like. If you have a woman a friend, that different. You see me? I see her me yearly and see, but me I not go up on the phone in a late night I will deep reasoning and them something there. We're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. That part we not going to do. Part they go got me worried.